In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Uber Eats delivery from bicycle to electric bike or e-bike. Now, what we want to do is just close the Uber Eats app and we'll open up our web browser. Here, just search for change Uber Eats delivery vehicle. And we want to click on this first article that pops up here. So uberhelp.uber.com change delivery method. Once we click on it, it's going to load up on your website like so, and you will need to log in with your account so you can change your delivery method. But basically you want to scroll down. If you wish to change your delivery mode, please select one of the following, and we were on bicycle previously, but now we can choose motorized bike. So this is the CC that we can go up to with our e-bike. And then you will need to add the maker, model and year, and bicycle after the maker, model and year if we're using a bike, and the license plate for bicycles. Here again we will have to add a bike or type bicycle, and we can apply a photo of the license by clicking on the camera icon. After we have done this, we'll type I agree here and just click on submit, and that's going to change from bicycle to e-bike. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.